A big congratulations to Davido and Adeleke's family. Davido's father just acquired another brand new private jet, making it three. It is a privilege to be born into a wealthy family. This family, man, Africa as a whole envies this family because they are too blessed. They are blessed. I want to appreciate God on their behalf because it's not easy, you understand? The father now has gotten another private jet to make their movements easy, and it's also another way to make more money. Guys, please share this video and let's celebrate them as well. Congratulations to the Adeleke's family. God bless you, and I wish you more money in your bank account, good health also to enjoy all that the Lord God Almighty has blessed you with. Bye bye, guys. I will see you in my next video. Love you.
Okay, what our list?
Wait, for both of them?
No, you can have it.
No, this one real quick. No, it's just going back for the old one.
Yeah.